Yeah. And that's pretty much an ongoing joke, because like in every Ratchet Clank game, it just gets another number. Like going commando, you get the Rhino 2.
The Rhino 2?
And then up your arsenal, you get the Rhino 3.
Is it specifically called the Rhino?
No, it's just Rhino 3, I think.
Oh, that sounds like a missed opportunity.
But yeah, but you heard the explanation, right? And not just looking at your phone.
No, I'm trying to read Alec Baldwin filmography to try to find something that I think you would know.
Apparently he wasn't in very much.
Oh, he was in a lot.
But just nothing I know.
Nothing you know.
So nothing good. Nah, I don't watch all movies.
He was in... Oh, I didn't know that.
What?
He was Santa Claus in Rise of the Guardians.
I didn't watch that one either.
That was a good movie. I had Chris Pine as Jack Frost.
Well, I don't know who that is either.
Captain Kirk and then your Star Trek movies.
Oh, the bad ones.
Sure. Very strong opinions, but sure.
I mean, do you disagree?
I like them.
But are they good? That wasn't the question.
Yeah, they're pretty good. I enjoyed them.
Okay. Alright, if you... Hey, man, you enjoy it. You like what you like, and I'll not like... I like the first one.
Have you seen the third one?
No.
You haven't seen the third one?
No, I haven't.
It's about upper 80s in Rotten Tomatoes.
Really? Because I heard it was pretty bad.
Really?
Yeah.
It was very risky.
Risky?
Yeah, because they introduced new stuff that had never been shown before in any Star Trek ever.
Yeah, but I don't think that was a bad thing. I heard it was bad because it's not that they introduced new things, it was that they changed, like, really held valued things. Like, they reinvented certain characters and stuff.
Still Scottish.
I mean, I think
Spock,
there's...
still Spocky.
I don't know if that's a description or not. It sounds like a Japanese snack.
I don't know. Chekhov's not coming back
Why?
because the actor died, and they said they're not recasting the character.
Oh. Huh. Does that mean they're not going to use Old Spock anymore either?
No, they're not going to do that either.
Alright. So you saw how there was a gold bolt over there when I first came in? Like you can see it from here too.
Yeah.
Well, I think what they expect you to do is work your way back through there using that button. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm just gonna cheese it.
Wait, can you get on top of it?
You can.
Oh, you're gonna...
I'm just gonna cheese it.
You're gonna skillfully maneuver the corners and the side pieces.
Yeah. Skillfully.
Well, good job.
Well, like I said, quote unquote, skillfully.
I don't know. I think it takes a certain amount of skill to be dumb.
I'm not dumb.
Say
Also,
that.
Also, this game is very hard and does not control well. Like, I didn't realize how much better this game controlled on the PS3. Ah, dang it. Oh, no!
Oh. Wait, where's that?
I lived. Oh, goodness.
Now you're stuck in the box.
No, they luckily put buttons everywhere. I think they expected you would try something like that. Or maybe this is how they meant for you to do it. I don't know. Controller didn't work. Ah, dang it.
I was playing Mario Kart with my cousin Caleb. He's like 10.
Yeah.
Every time he lost, which was almost every race, he would always blame the controller.
Yeah.
He's like, it keeps turning left when I want it to go straight. Like, Caleb, just stop touching the controller.
Is he using tilt controls by accident? Did you actually remember to turn them off for him?
I don't remember.
You know, he actually may have been messing up.
But it's not the controller, it's the setting.
I mean, it's technically still the controller. No, it's not the controller's fault. The controller is actually set weird.
The controller is broken in half. It's not the controller, I swear.
Right, okay.
Whoa, those are tanks! Those are straight up tanks! We blew it up.
You know, if those are tanks, why don't you gas? Does that make them...
They're alien
gas tanks?
I don't want to be here anymore. Kill me, please.
Just keep eating corn dogs, you'll get to yourself. Okay. Ready to see me fail at a race?
Ooh, yes.
Welcome to the Hovercon
Oh, hey, it's that
Intergalactic
chick that I'd
Hoverboard
said I'd
competition. Captain
I don't think
Quark's
you said
giving
that,
away a
did you?
brand new
You said
platinum
she was
zoom
hot.
raider to the winner of this competition.
Oh,
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof
The
of your
chick I said I was
accomplishments
hot.
that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
did her boobs just
Yeah, they put Jiggle Fixins in a PS2. Like I said, this game was ahead of its time.
dead or alive.
Careful, I did like this game at the time. But yeah, this race is actually important because the you're trying to win something called a Platinum Numerator.
Yeah,
Silly name, but what it does is
I think there are a few things that I'd like to enumerate.
anyway, what it does is if you do tricks during the race, in this race it doesn't do anything. But like in the second race, if you do tricks and you have that part, it builds up a gauge and you can use it as a turbo.
Oh, so it just became Sonic Riders.
You say that, but once again, this game out was way before then.
Sonic Riders was on the PS2.
But this game was before that game. Oh crap, they switched you right in.
Oh, this isn't a tutorial?
No,
Oh.
I don't remember how to go.
You are in last place.
Yes, I am. And once again, it does not control as smoothly as a PS3. Alright, I'm just gonna restart that.
Doesn't look. Oh.
There we go.
Thump. Whoa!
Oh, goodness.
Whoa. Wait, was that a slowdown thing?
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, so blue, it's a booster.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's supposed to be a slowdown, or it's just supposed to be indicating there's a hill.
Whoa!
Okay. Well, they are literally living poop, so it doesn't matter.
I think they are slowdown things because it has arrows pointing in the opposite direction.
You see, I was wondering when I was younger, but there's not really any evidence to that. So,
The arrows are pointing in the opposite direction.
crap. Dang it, I was doing moderately well. Now I'm in fourth. Well, better quit. That is this race. We will be here for a minute.
I'll time it.
I mean, it's me longer than actual minute. What's worse, there's no shortcuts on this one. At least the other race. Okay.
I feel like you can make your own shortcuts. Using the hills that are alive and the sound of music.
Look, the sound you're hearing is just me hitting a wall.
It's also you running
How did
into
I
explosives.
jump that high?
Keep going.
Oh goodness.
That's not a turn you should take anymore.
But it's the fastest way to do it.
I get that. But
I
it's
go
3
fast.
laps, isn't it?
Yeah. But I am in last.
Well, with that attitude.
I mean, you can look at my placement, and I am indeed almost in last place.
You are in whatever place you believe you are to be.
Look, that's not how this works. Dang it. Man, this is like Mario Kart with no items. If you lose at the beginning, you're just done. I missed that.
Wow, Mario Kart with no items. They don't even do that in competitive online play. What?
What?
Oh, so I glitched Smash Brothers earlier.
Great segue. So, you did what to Smash, your brother? Oh, goodness. Alright, I was trying to jump over all correct times that time.
I glitched Smash Brothers.
Yeah. Man, that wasn't even my fault. The worst part is they go right through those two, so it didn't matter that he hit it.
I think I'm gonna let you finish this before we go into
No,
any
no,
stories.
please continue.
Okay, if you insist. I was playing classic mode on the Wii U version.
Uh-huh.
I went to start a match, and when I started the match, Mewtwo started the match falling over the edge.
Okay.
You know how, like, when you start a match, everybody's in a placement on the stage, and it's like, ready, go.
Yeah, and but he started in a
He
dead zone?
started in the air, falling to his death.
Huh.
And he would have died before the match had even begun, had the announcer not said go.
I do not remember it not being this swirly. I wonder if you turn sensitivity up, that might be a problem.
Just bad at this game.
Well, I mean, the game in general, I'm pretty good. This race, nah, man, I mean, oh goodness, I didn't jump that time.
It's fine, you lived.
I guess that's what's important.
Oh, look at you go!
Oh goodness,
Welcome to Moe's!
you don't work at Moe's.
Welcome to Moe's!
Oof. All right, for once, everything's going my way. Now I have to do that 2 more times.
I don't think you said that the way you wanted it to come out.
I think it came out exactly like I wanted it to. Having bated breath because you don't know if I can do it or not. You don't want to say anything.
Huh?
Oh goodness. Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no, they put me
Go, go, go.
behind the dude. I go a little bit faster than things.
You have 3 laps?
Yep, unfortunately. I could have just won, but no. No, we have to make sure there's one more. But don't worry, even when I beat this one, just know, later on in the game there is one more race, and it's way harder than this one.
Hey.
But hey, at least in that one they give you a rocket launcher.
Well, you can also use that ability, can't you?
Yeah, you'll have, because I'm gonna win this race now. I'm gonna have the other turbo thing, and then I'll also have the rocket launcher.
Hi, folks.
Hey, you did it.
Captain
So-
Quark here.
So they're
It
not
is my
thinking about it.
distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers.
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home
What's
a
that picture?
brand new professional grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day.
He has a butt cheek chin.
Remember we made the joke last time that he looks like the Crimson Chin.
I remember.
Anyway. Now we can go back to, remember the planet we went to with the agent?
Your taxi is not moving.
It is.
Oh.
Yeah. But remember the planet with the skateboarder and the agent?
Yes.
If we want, we can go back to the agent and he'll give us the thing. But
Are we doing that?
well, I'm gonna ask you because we don't need it, and it's pretty much just wasting time to go back for it.
Nah. Let's continue. Quarks.
Very small thing. Yay! You know, what's the point of the twirl?
Yay. What?
I don't understand. Like, they're flying through space, right? And they do a
What's the
twirl.
point of the twirl?
Yeah, because, you know, it doesn't change their orientation because there's no gravity. Like, they really wouldn't feel it. If anything, you might just lose your heading and just get lost.
Welcome to my challenge course. Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What?
Sorry for the
I
food
can't
reviews.
hear you.
I said,
Because
haven't
big teeth.
we
That's vegan talk.
done
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, Clank, let's get going.
Gotta keep that smile though.
I like how they didn't just give him a megaphone. They actually gave him that one weapon that we don't have. Like, you know, I was like, you know, we're only going to make so many assets for this game. So instead of making a megaphone asset, we're just going to use the weapon. Anyway, we're doing an obstacle course.
Yay!
And,
Last one went so well.
yeah, and this one's worse. But it's okay, I won't fall off any on this planet.
I
Are
got
you
some great
sure?
bargains for you today.
Yeah.
It's a bold statement.
I mean, there's no really, except for like right here, there's nowhere really to fall off on this. So. Yeah. Oh, I just blew up. That.
Wow, that is a boomer.
Was.
Oh, good no.
Look, I only have so much range, okay? And I'm not going to use any other gun because that would just be wasteful. Oh goodness. Yeah, you know, I was off by a fraction of an inch, so it mattered greatly.
Smash 4 hitbox.
Also, we can see bullets traveling in motion. Worst part is that didn't even.
That's how you break it?
It didn't even break it. It just shut it down to zero. Oh goodness. I am.
I thought you knew this game like your backhand.
No. Like, I don't know my backhand very well. Good lord.
Wow.
Oh, great.
Is it every time you die you have to start the whole course over?
No, I'm sure there are checkpoints. I don't know. I didn't die the last time I did this. Okay. Okay. I don't even know what hit me that time. Yeah, well, I was wrong. There's literally no reason to not use it.